I'm Annie, and today I'm going to show you how to cut up a whole chicken. What happened?
Just the bowl.
Yeah, but come here, I have to just grab the
in the
chicken.
glass bowl.
I'm Annie, and today I'm going to show you how to cut up a whole chicken, just like how my mama taught me when I was living in Jamaica. First thing you're going to need is a knife of your choice, a very sharp knife, if you can handle it. My mom would turn the chicken like this crossway. Feel for the backbone. Chicken have a backbone? Yes, I'm sure it does. Put the knife here and just cut down into it. Simple and easy, just like that. Okay? Then you're going to put your hand inside and you're just going to pull it apart. Okay? So easy. Because I've got a story to tell you guys, yeah. I remember when I was living in Jamaica, and I was pregnant with my first child, and I had a craving for chicken one Friday night. I had a friend, yeah. She used to not care, like she planned that we were going to go to this shop and we were going to order the fried chicken that they sell, and then we were going to run with the chicken. But we were so lucky that night, yeah, our friends decided we were going to cook butter bean and saltfish. So that didn't get to happen, thank God. That's probably how I would have ended up in a jail over some fried chicken. Right, I'm going to cut the chicken here in the back. That's the chicken back bit that we like in Jamaica too. I used to love a chicken back, yeah, curry chicken back. So cut off all that skin. Then you're going to feel for the joint here. Okay, make sure you just look for the joint and cut it. Right, there we go. Yeah. Okay, now we're going to separate the breast. So you're going to put the knife here in the front. You're just going to cut down. Remember I said to use a sharp knife. And that's it. And you put it upside it down. Then you cut straight down through the neck. Then we're going to go and cut the wings off. Yeah, easy as that. And cut the other wing off from here. Nice and easy. And then we're going to cut here. Take the neck off. Okay. Then we have left with the breast. So I'm going to cut through it. And cut through the other breast. Okay. And here we go. So I've managed to cut the chicken into 11 pieces, which can feed 5 people if each get 2 pieces. So that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. If you haven't already, remember to hit that subscribe button